This is Seljalandsfoss, beautiful waterfall, especially in great light like we have today. This one you can walk behind and you can get beautiful picture from behind it through the waterfall. And but when you're so close to a waterfall, you will get a lot of spray on your lens, on your equipment. And I get asked all the time if I know some tricks to deal with that. And actually I do have a trick for that. I have a lens cloth, like a cloth. And when the lens gets wet, I wipe it. With these conditions, it will get wet again and again and again and again, and I wipe again and again and again and again. It's pretty simple, it's actually not that complicated, but it's work. And you will have to put the work in to get those photos. And also, if you look carefully, you will see my shadow over there, because I'm shooting against the sun.